In this session of video, we will see how can endorse committee will be created by org admins and how can procurement stream will have been created. So the org admin can be using the valid user and log into the systems. Then as we have seen here, the platform, the org admin can get this one. So here is the endorse committee, and here is the procurement unit, which is we call stream it. So endorse committee. First of all, we have creating endorse committee for procurement. Endorse committee, as you know, everyone, there is endorse committee for procurement process in each of the organization. So endorse committee should have been registered in the systems and organized as a group. So right now, let's click on the endorse committee, then click on new. Then as you see, there is a selection of branch. So EGP can be flexible for the branches, such as headquarters. So if there is a branch offices there, they have their own endorse committee. The headquarters have its own endorse committee. In this case, we have only the headquarters, so we should have click on the plus button and select the headquarters. Here's the bureau. So this selected, then those endorse committee will start from where? As we have seen the information, the term of the committee is 3 years. In one term, there is serve for 3 years. Maximum number of extension, if in some cases, one term will be extended for the endorse committee. Totally, if extends will happen, one endorse committee will be performed for 6 years. So for the first 3 years activity, so there is the term of start date. For example, for me, just start from today. I selected it. So the system itself calculated 3 years for them. So as you have seen here, 2025, then here is 2028. So as you have seen here, DG as DAG committee or endorse committee, then we will be edited as suitable for us. It's no problem. So then save. After save, as we know, endorse committee is a group. So we are networked them as a group in the systems. So here is a membership. So expand. After expand, add. Click on add. So those persons who are endorse committee should have be first of all registered in personnel and assign role for them. Then they will be come here. So we are select. We have 3 endorse committee here. As you know, endorse committee will be 3, 5, 7, 9. So as organization structures, they will be odd numbers and 3, 5, 7. From this, one person is member chairpersons. The other one is secretary, and the rest one is members. If we have 5 group, from 5 group, one person is chairperson, the second one is secretary, and the rest one is members. So click on save. After we are finalizing this process, the endorse committee will be activated after today. So I should have clicked on the initiation. Since we are initiate this one, system automatically those member or this endorse committee will perform their work start from today. If not, we are click on this one, the endorse committee will be working on or not the activities reached to them. So the first activity of this one is session video is creating endorse committee. The second one is click on procurement units or creating unit. This one is a backbone. totally in the GP registration, and the next working workflow, the backbone of the structure is this one. If not this one is done accurately or properly, cannot be each person works their work accordingly. So now procurement unit, then click on new, then click on this one, just the name of this streams required. So let's say an uh, procurement procurement of health bureau in my context. So procurement of health bureau, this is my stream, my name of procurement unit. Then here is a description. So any description which can describe this organization will be written here. Then procurement type. There is a procurement type. Here is a general procurement type and a specialized procurement type. For the routine procurement, the organization will be bought is categorized under general procurement. Then we select general procurement. If we have specialized procurement, we will be select the specialized procurement. In some cases, regarding we need to categorize in different procurement like goods, workers, and as our organization needs the streams, we can select the specialized procurement. So the basic concept of this specialized procurement is specifically have its own endorsement committee, its own technical committees, and it will be the process will be go on. So the general procurement is most of the time the routine procurement that organization will be bought every year is categorized under general procurement, and it has as organization one endorsement committee. So for this purpose, I'm using general procurement. After general procurement, we are here. We should have select procure endorsement committee. So general procurement created once. Specialized procurement is maybe created many times, and for each specialized procurement streams, we have selected different endorsement committee. So for this case, I selected which have previously created endorsement committee. After selected this one, then the system will request for which branch this endorsement committee will be work for the health bureau. Then I'm select it. Then procurement unit head or the director of procurement is required. Then I'm selecting him. Then the second one is head of procurement entity or the HOP head of procurement entity, and the director of procurement department should have been selected. Then after all save. So after we save it, then we have create the procurement officers who are senior procurement officer role participate. Here is this one. So if there are 5, 6, 7, 8, those who have a senior procurement mandate will be collected here. If they are not collected here, they cannot be act as a senior procurement officers and cannot be work their work. So here we are collect together the senior procurement officers, as you know in the. So next they are created here units. Unit is the need collector unit or the working unit are. So add on it, then select. So we are select here the required units or which units are we are selected for the purpose of procurement. So open. Then as you have seen here, one, which is one is the supervisor. The supervisor of each unit is there. So at all, we are finalizing these structures. As you know, need collectors start from here, then send to the SCPO or senior procurement officer. Senior procurement officer is sent to the head of procurement. The head of procurement send to the endorse committee. Endorse committee send to the head of procure entity. So this network is structured here in case if not this network is worked or properly setting, then the work will be not go as you have seen here. So after finishing, we are activate and publish. So generally the registering system is looks like this one. So